How to hide apps on your Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can actually hide your applications on WhatsApp. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure that you have an Android phone and that you want to hide some of the apps. Now this process could differ from Android smartphone to operating systems. For example, on Samsung devices we have the One UI version 4.1 running on Android 12. You could have Oppo or Realme phones which could have the ColorOS, or you could have Redmi which could have MIUI, and you could have OnePlus which could definitely have the Oxygen OS. And there are simply some of the ways, and if there are the default feature and the other is a third-party way. If you don't find the way to hide your apps by default, then you can also download any of the apps from the App Store to do it. But in my case, I will show you how you can do it the default way. So for example, you can see I have installed a bunch of different applications, and let's say I just simply don't want people to see some of the apps that I have installed. Let's say I want to hide Telegram, for example. If I want to hide Telegram, first of all, I'm going to scroll up to the app drawer, and then on the very top right hand side you can see this little three vertical dot icon. So I'm not sure if it's really visible to you, but you will simply be able to see those on your app drawer. I will simply select it, and here you'll find this option which says settings. I will go ahead and then select the settings option. Once you select the settings option, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options over here, and at the very bottom, halfway down the bottom maybe, or let's say it could be different in yours, I will select hide apps. Once you select hide apps, over here we will select a list of applications which we want to hide. For example, as I said Telegram earlier, I will go ahead and simply select Telegram. As you select it, it is going to be shown up at the very top right, and you can see this little label which says hidden apps, and this distinguishes the app from your shown list where it says the hidden list. If you want to save the changes, at the very bottom simply tap on the done button, and now if I go to my home screen, you can see that we do not really have the Telegram app. Now you can access this Telegram app by going to the search box and then simply typing in Telegram. As you could see right over here, you'd be able to simply see it. But if you don't, however, find it over here, as you could see, since we've hit the app, we will again go ahead and simply unhide or find that app by tapping on the three dots, going to settings, going to hide apps, and we will simply remove this from this toggle and then tap on the done button over here, and that Telegram app will be shown on your home screen again, as you could see. And this is how you can hide apps on your Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.